So you mentioned different content in mediation law, different aspects of mediation that can be subject to law. Nadja, can you say a bit more about that?
Yes. There are four main categories of mediation law. The first one is triggering laws. Triggering laws are laws that effectively trigger the mediation process. How do you get to the mediation process?
Okay.
And you can find examples of that in mediation clauses or in legislation or court practice directions.
Okay.
The second category is process laws that manage the mediation process, and you'll find most of those in institutional rules.
Gotcha.
The third category relates to laws that set standards for mediators, and you'll find these located in legislation in some countries, but also in soft law sources, for example, institutional rules or industry rules in norms in other countries. And the fourth and final category of mediation law relates to rights and obligations of people in the mediation room. And that's the area that is most commonly dealt with by legislation.